If you are struggling to come up with the best thumbnail for your videos, listen and watch this video. As upcoming creators, one of the struggles we have is to find our best performing thumbnail. We are trying to figure out which thumbnail is working, which one is not working, okay? But most of us don't realize that in the YouTube studio, when you are uploading your videos, YouTube has given us a certain feature for us to be able to test different thumbnails and figure out which one is best resonating with our audience. So in this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can test different thumbnails. Now, before you test your thumbnails, you have to make sure you have already created your video. Of course, you have edited it and everything is ready to upload, okay? Your description, your title, your thumbnail. Let's say you want to try 2 different types of thumbnail, then you can try them with the same title, different design, or with different titles and different design, or same design, different title. You can even go ahead and try up to 3 different thumbnails for one video. So what YouTube does is, in the space of, let's say, between 12 and 14 days, sometimes it can be longer or even for a shorter period of time, YouTube is then going to test these thumbnails with your audience and then tell you at the end of the testing which of the thumbnail performed better. So as a creator, what you just need to do is to now, stick around using that type of thumbnail that won the test. Okay, so stay with me because I'll be sharing my screen very soon and I will take you through step by step. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela and I am the face behind this channel, and I am always excited to bring you any useful tips, updates, hacks that will help you grow faster here on YouTube. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, may I ask, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more authentic and valuable content like this. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. I'm going to take you all to my YouTube studio. Bear in mind that this type of testing is only possible on your YouTube studio dashboard, okay? You cannot do it with the YouTube studio app that you have on your phone. If at all, you are going to have to log into your YouTube studio via your browser and then access your YouTube studio dashboard from your browser on your smartphone, because that's the only place we have access to this feature I want to share with us today. So what you have to do is go to your YouTube studio and of course go to create because you're uploading. At the end of this video, I am going to show you one of the testing that is running for me right now on my channel. Okay, so now I'm going to just hit create, upload your videos that you want to upload, of course. So I'm just going to be using any recent videos that I have here just for the purpose of this just for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, so now I'm uploading the video. You can see there, you can see my default description is already appearing here, and the title is here. Okay, so now I'm just basically going to focus on the testing of thumbnails with this tutorial. Okay, so when you are uploading your videos, of course, make sure you have your description, your titles, and everything have to be ready. Okay, so this is my default description that I have here that appeared here. So then I am also just going to be using random thumbnail. Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you where to find the option to test different thumbnail. Okay, so now you have here in this space here, you have thumbnail, right? So you can just go ahead and upload your file, which is one thumbnail that you want to use for the video, or you can click on auto-generated, where YouTube will just take like a screenshot of your video and then you can edit it right here and create a thumbnail. Or you go to this option here which says test and compare, and this is what we are going to be focusing on today: how to test and compare your thumbnails. So now you're going to go ahead and click here, test and compare. So you have 3 different options. Okay, so that means you can actually go ahead and upload 3 different thumbnails for one video that you want to upload. So you just go ahead and click there on that plus sign, and then you go to where you saved your thumbnail, of course, and then you're just gonna like upload your first thumbnail. Like I said, I'm just using random thumbnails that I have already saved in my file. Okay, it's not directly related to this video I'm using. It's just for the sake of this tutorial. So I want to test another one, then I'll go ahead and add another thumbnail. Then I want to test another one. I want to have 3 thumbnails, so I go ahead and add another thumbnail. Okay, I'll just go and add another thumbnail. So now I have 3. Okay, this one says the file is too large. Let's look for something that is better. Let me take this one. So now we have 3 different thumbnails. Okay, so now test and compare different thumbnails. Upload up to 3 images to learn which one viewers prefer. So this is what YouTube is going to help you identify in the course of this test. So after you have done that, you go ahead and finish your upload settings the way it should be. Add your tag, set it to not made for kids if it's not made for kids, and then do the rest of the things that you want to do and publish it or schedule it for what date you want your video to go public. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like after you have uploaded your video and it's running. So after that, you're just going to come here. This is a current thumbnail testing that I am doing on my channel, right? So what you're going to do if you want to check how your testing is performing, you are going to go over here to that pencil, and then you are going to go here where your thumbnail is and click on these 3 dots. Once you click on the 3 dots, it's going to show you view test reports. So now I have been testing these thumbnails now for, I think it's been 4 days thereabout, and you can see it's showing me 9 days and 9 hours left. So it can take up to 2 weeks for YouTube to come up with a final test results. Okay, so now in this scenario, you can see that thumbnail number 1 is not performing well like that, but rather this one, the second thumbnail here, is getting the most traction. So it means my viewers are resonating more with this type of thumbnail. So what am I going to do? So that means if I am uploading my next video, I have to try and stick around this type of style here and create such thumbnails. Or I can say, okay, I will create something similar to this thumbnail and another type of thumbnail entirely and retest it for my second video or for my next video until you find something that is really doing a great job. Okay, so basically this is how testing your thumbnail works. Okay, so it's important that you find ways to find what works for you, what works for your audience. So if you found value in this video, just go ahead, like, comment, and share. And also let me know in the comment section if you were already aware of this setting and just didn't apply it, or if you're just getting to know. Remember, as a creator, if you want to be successful, if you want to grow fast on YouTube, you have to start the habit of learning and applying. Just learning and knowing alone and not applying it on your channel or testing it or trying it out on your channel, it's not really going to help you grow. So let us chat in the comment section. Were you aware of this setting before, and have you tried it before? Was it helpful? Let's chat. And don't forget to support each other also in the comment section. Engage with each other. Let us know in the comment section, what is your channel about? It may be that you're going to find your next subscriber and a very loyal fan right here in the comments. Let's get the ball rolling. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now.